Tell him.
Hey, I'm with Omar Gooden, you piece of shit. Y'all didn't believe me? What is going on, everyone? So today, I for sure thought I was going to have this awesome video for you guys today, but then somebody hindered me. Somebody said, hey, you can't post this video for these guys. They're just not ready for it. They called y'all stupid and some other names because they said y'all was like apes or something. I don't know. They just said y'all aren't ready. So I said, well, since they're not ready, maybe I can make a different video for them that they'll understand, and maybe I can talk to them and speak their language. So I had an awesome time tonight, guys. Look, I met Omar Gooden. Hey, I'll post that footage in there with you guys. I was like hanging out with them and everything, but that's not what this video is about. Felt the spirit. Okay, I didn't God. I felt the spirit from you guys, like supporting me and everything and being like, yeah, make another video. Yes, top ticker trades, baby. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Now, I do have to let you guys know, I actually did record a whole nother video, two videos tonight that I haven't posted. I'm not going to post probably tonight. Might post them a little bit later. They kind of affect me, right? And we've talked about this a little bit. They kind of affect me. Maybe they could negatively impact me in the future. I've got some stuff going on. I can't exactly share it with you guys right now. Even though I'd love for you guys to support me. I'd love to share it with you, but the legal team is telling me to like shut the fuck up. Yeah. So I made those two videos and I was gonna, against the advice of counsel, post them for you guys. And actually I did ask for y'all's help in those videos. Y'all will never hear them. Not right now. I gotta think about it, but I do need y'all's help. So if I do post those videos, man, I need y'all to catch my freaking back, you know. This actually pertains to all of us. If it doesn't pertain to all of us, I don't know who the heck it pertains to. You know, right now I'm being the one affected by it. So, shit, man, I just want to ask for y'all's help. So I kind of just, you know, recorded those videos, sent them to my attorney. Legal team is like, no, do not post that. You know, I fucking spoke my mind. You know, I cuss. Who gives a shit, you know? I know I have 7 dislikes on every single video. Recently turned into 8. The reason I've had 7 is because, you know, my ex-wife. Okay, so there's an ex-wife. That's number 1. Number 1 dislike. Her daddy is number 2. Her mama is 3. She also has a sister. That's 4. She also has another sister. That's 5. And 2 sisters that she has because my ex-wife's divorced. That's 6. That's number 7. 2 husbands, the sisters, the moms, the daddies, whatever, right? We're not going to count all the cousins of my kid. They're not fucking, they don't have YouTube yet. Somebody else that makes number 8, and I feel like she's got 2 attorneys now, y'all. This has nothing to do with what I'm talking about, but, you know, Sydney is one attorney my ex-wife has, but now she's got another one. Well, she's had the other one. Wow. An attorney that's not even supposed to be your attorney. Who does she represent really, though? You know, attorneys lie. Not my attorneys, because I don't choose lying attorneys, but if you ever hire an attorney for your kids and they lie their fucking ass off, fire them. I would do so if I had the capacity, if I was within the capacity to be able to fire my kids' attorneys. Attorney, it's only one. Lying piece of shit she is. Yes, of course. Now, my ex-wife watches every single video. My son told me so. I'm being disparaged. You know, oh, gosh, these problems. We're not here to talk about that. We're here to talk about, like, AMC and other things. But I feel like you guys know me and I can speak to you about my problems. So, we've got problems, y'all. We're going to fire everybody. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff, like AMC. Somebody asked me today in the comments, like, hey, will it ever rocket again? You know, the only reason that I tag AMC in the title is to get the views, right? But it's not really to get the views, it's to get you guys, the AMC, the Apes, to get on there, because I have to do certain things to get you guys to say that I posted a video, right? If you're not subscribed, by the way, subscribe if you're not. Do I believe in AMC? Get the fuck out of here. Piece of shit company. Always has been. The only reason we were going to rock it in the first place is because shit company that had some type of advantage because of Ken Griffin. They were overshorted, blah, blah, blah. You know this shit. I ain't got to tell you. But people are still asking me questions like, hey, are they going to blow up? Because I put shit in my title, right, to these videos that gets you to, clickbait. 0.0000000 times 0. Never again. It's not just that I don't no longer believe in AMC. It's just because, the fuck, Adam Aaron is a piece of shit. Everybody on the board of directors is a piece of shit. No, I'm not fucking supporting those fucks. Why? Do they just report earnings? What are they going to dilute the shares again every fucking quarter? And then what? Hey, buy more AMC so they can dilute the shares. We'll like give you free popcorn at a movie or something while we're taking millions of fucking dollars from the retail investors. Hey, fuck that motherfucker. Fuck Adam Aaron. Fuck Melissa Lee for believing in Adam Aaron in the first place. Man, I'm telling the truth, dude. I know you're probably not used to cussing on the YouTube channels you're watching because maybe your kids was there watching with you. Better not have your kids out when I'm here. Because I'm telling you the truth, man. Do not invest in AMC. The only reason AMC is tagged in my title and in my keywords is because that's where my whole crew has been the entire time. But it's no longer about the fucking piece of shit company AMC that it's always been, right? It's about fighting the fight. It's about standing up to Ken Griffin. And look, to give AMC credit, the company, I don't know, man. One day it may blow. One day it may blow up, right? I don't fucking know, dude. I don't own any fucking shares of AMC. Who does? Not the Apes. So, yes, one day maybe some shit will repeat again. Like history will repeat itself and maybe it'll blow up. Maybe GME will go first. Maybe AMC will go second. I don't know, man. Put all my money into Shiba Inu, dude. I haven't. But listen here. So, the whole deal is, man, I'm still tagging that shit so you guys will come out and see because you guys are still searching for it. Or I don't know what y'all are doing, man. Y'all haven't talked to me. Y'all haven't left comments to tell me what in the hell y'all are doing. But I'm talking to you right now and keeping it real. Do not fucking buy any more shares of AMC unless you want Adam Aaron to fucking dilute you. Or the board of directors that chose to sell off fucking over a year ago. Hey, do we need to go back to my old videos? I feel like maybe we should. I've made videos about this before. Long before I started calling Adam Aaron a piece of shit, I called him a piece of shit. I also called the board of directors a piece of all of them piece of shits. And I was like, hey, wait a minute, what's going on here? Are they working for Ken Griffin? And then I also made videos that pretty much tied Adam Aaron to Ken Griffin indirectly. People started talking shit to me after I reported that. They're like, fuck you, man, you're an ape. Man, whatever, dude. Well, where are you at now? That's what I thought. So, I guess Adam Aaron is not really our friend. I guess the board of directors aren't really our friends, are they now? So listen, hey, let bygones be bygones, man. I'm not trying to talk shit to anybody on my channel. Y'all are my fucking subs. Y'all made this dream come true for me, right? Y'all are the reason I can afford this jacket and the shirt that I'm wearing underneath the jacket. And I don't have to be cold sleeping underneath the bridge no more like I used to do for 3 years in a row. Eating bananas every day and shit, banana soup and everything. But here's the truth, man. So what I'm trying to do right now is to tell y'all what the fuck is up. Fuck these motherfuckers. They fucked us over. We're going after them, dude. I've been going after Ken Griffin on this channel every single fucking day. Okay? Why? But is it because I hate him? Well, obviously, dude, I hate Ken Griffin, don't you? But why do I hate him? Is it because he's such a nice guy? Is it because he's rich? Is it... I don't hate him because he's a nice guy. I don't hate him because he's rich. I hate him because he's a piece of shit. I hate him because he steals from the fucking apes. From us. From me, dude. Can't feed my fucking kids right now. You son of a bitch took my goddamn money. He took my money. I wanted to buy a new truck. And let me tell you about my dilemma, man. You see, I like these Toyotas. These new ones. Toyota Tundra happens to be my vice, specifically. Really wanted a new one this year, man. Really. I don't need a fucking Tesla. I don't need the Tesla Cybertruck. Simple man right here. I just wanted a new fucking Tundra. Where's my Tundra at, y'all? Why the fuck am I still driving a fucking GMC? Well, that's because Kenny boy fucked over me like he did the rest of y'all. So now I'm like in a dilemma. I'm in a real pickle here, man. And I can't get the shit I want to get. I'm kind of like tied up in my position. I've got other positions. That's cool. But I don't like losing money. And I don't like not having the vehicle I want to get. I grew up in a fucking trailer, man. Trailer park, man. And all these trailer park people used to come out there, beat up on me, call me a nerd and a loser, man. I didn't have y'all back then to beat their fucking ass. Just me, man. And as y'all can see, dude, I'm small, bro. Like, I don't even know how to fight, man, you know. Never told nobody this. So, I punched the first fucking guy in the face. When I did that, he got knocked it out immediately. But then the rest of his 10 buddies beat the fuck out of me, man. Well, they kicked me in the stomach, made me diarrhea and throw it up. Then I was by myself, man, and I realized at that point, like, well, shit, I'm not good at nothing. I'm not even good at fighting. All I'm good at is, like, making these videos. Some people watch me. So if y'all ever stop watching me, man, I just don't know what to do no more. I guess there's no point to my story except that I didn't get my Tundra. I fucked off my money by investing in what Aaron told me to invest in because he fucked us all over and then sold us off to Ken Griffin. Do not trust that son of a gun. Do not trust any of the board members at AMC. Do not buy a single share of AMC. In fact, short that fucking bullshit ass shit till it gets overshorted. You know, kind of like GME was, and what we can repeat the process after it happens. But as of now, yes, I will tag AMC as, you know, in my fucking subject line in the comments. I'll speak about AMC to get love from the algorithm. In my keywords, I will say AMC stock, all that other bullshit. I don't want nobody here, okay, as your family member, as a fellow ape. Nobody buy that shit right now till I say different, okay? We're not doing it. Fuck those motherfuckers. We got to make money, and that's just not the way to make money. So, hold up for now. So, hold up for now, and wait till you hear from me. And now I'm probably going to, just to be funny as fuck, y'all, probably in the subject line I'm going to say, AMC, 10 million X. I don't know what the fuck I'm going to, you know, put in the title line of this video, but it'll be something exciting. Yeah, magnificent. Just don't buy any shares because it's a shit stock. Ain't going nowhere. We have to wait. I'm here waiting with you because, hey, I ain't got no other fucking choice, dude. You know, I came from a trailer park, dude, you know. Plus, I ain't got no money, dude. Ken Griffin had, hey, which one of y'all is going to go ask Ken Griffin to give me my fucking refund, man? I bought that Christina Aguilera CD. I need my $16 back. Can you get it for me, man? Hey, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to this channel because, yeah, it's lovely here.